So guys, yeah, Roblox just, yeah, it pop out this big. Okay, I'm gonna show it, guys. This short, I don't know. It was recap, recap. What recap is it? Crick rap. You know why I'm why it's crick rap? Just do it. I'm gonna explain it right now.
Kanin ate, gusto mo pa?
Not that.
Okay na yan.
Subscribe. Yeah, I just played Roblox. And this.
Roblox players, time to say goodbye.
This.
Today is December 1st, which means age check requirements and chat restrictions are officially rolling out in the countries of Australia, the Netherlands, and New Zealand. Meaning if you live in those three countries...
Wait, yes. You know that I'm 9. I can communicate users under the age of 16. I just can't. Yeah. Yeah, this is much freak. My sister.
No!
My sister is...
Troll lang.
My sister. I just tricked Roblox by scanning my sister's face.
Hindi, face mo na lang, sabihin mo.
Face.
Face mo na lang.
Your chat is now restricted to only people in your age group, which sucks because Jandal is in New Zealand. Every other country goes into effect in 1 month.
When it's full.
Wala.
Bro, it's fully...
Ano naman
Bro. Bro.
Pagkakain.
Thank God I have a sister, so that's why.
Dami na.
So, free crap. I can take Roblox. I can trick Roblox. Why? I can just trick Roblox by just scanning my sister's face. But there's a slight problem. Let's see if my gender is different. Wait. Diba 12 ka? Bro, just receive. Okay. Now. No!
Kaya ako ginamit na ate. Grabe ka. Hindi mo tinawag ako ate.
Moderate. Oh, restricted. We need is. Oh, auto. It's. So.
Maganda pa ako sa'yo. Grabe ka.
Yeah, thank God. I just do. Bro, I just trick. Bro, I just trick it, but I did not get a video of it since I'm confused. Okay, then it arrives and I just nah, don't care. I have a sister, a mom, and a dad. There. Even when it's updated, needs to be 18. Yeah, just gonna scan my dad or mom's face and boom. Yeah, I trick you, Roblox.
Saan nyo na?
The
Yung
owner
sapatos
of
ka na,
Roblox.
Francis.
No.
Baka abutin pa kayo ng
I trick you. Get a. Don't update. Yeah, bro, you are cool. I just trick Robloxy. Because I just trick Roblox like crazy. Nosny games, bro. I just do that. Okay, guys. This is the simple. If you have a sister or brother, just scan them. At least if they are 12 or 13. If they are 13, yep. You are goody, bro. Goody, bro. You are good. Yay. Let's get some rivals time. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a new girl. New girl. Oh dear. Little girl. Oh no, that's not it. Not it. See? Cool. Ay? Bro. What? Bro. What is the most? Oh, the limited time. Chicken game? Okay. Let us go home. I just tricked Roblox, thank God. Bro, you have a sister and a brother. Just stand them, bro. At least if they are not 9 or maybe,
Paslide pa na.
or
Paslide.
maybe.
Marami na paslide. Hindi pa. Paslide na na puno.
Wait, when I do that,
Paslide.
I think I just
Paslide
love
na marami.
a chat. I can
Paano
do that
na
now,
hindi
bro.
pa.
I can chat. Wait. I wonder if I can change
Hindi pa na ulan.
the.
Basa kayo. Nasaan yung
I know.
I can change it. Well, let's see.
Wala na ako dala lagi.
Yep. Okay.
Lagyan na
Thought there was
papasok
a. Bro, I just do that. Test it.
Ako na din.
Bro is there. Bro is there. Bro is there.
Ano ka po ba?
Bro is there. Like crazy. Wait, I can just do this. Boom. Lutot. You patapin. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
buti ng ulan?
Where are you? Oh no. Bro, where are you? Rotot. No. No, okay.
Nariyan na kayo makapasok.
Don't
Baka
stop.
lumakas ang ulan.
Ah!
Dali na.
Hindi pa ako.
Not fair! Not fair! Akit may pasok. Let's get this going. Roll down. Meet at the station.
Hindi ka nagawin ka
Sapatos ka na. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Tama si mama, baka na malapit na Parang nainip naman.
I just tricked Robloxy.
Ma, parang inaw. Parang inaw.
Yes!
Sapatos ka na.
Ano? Sapatos ulit. Kayo na magsapatos sa akin.
Masap na yan. Ano ikaw? Yeah! Review na. Ay, basis kang pusa. Ay! Bas yan.
Oh my god! That was so bro.
Dumi dito.
Yet I lied him to that. to the space. Wait, I'm winning. Let's get this going. Let's get this going. Bro's there. Bro is there. Yeah. Ito mo lang. Diba, nilipat ako. Tapos yung iba, yung iba, nilipat ako. Yung iba naman, di nalipat ako.
Like me. Nalipat ako ng upuan. Bakit? Hindi. Ang klase ko naglilipat sa akin. Hindi ako. Pag ako naglilipat. Hindi. Kung gusto ko yung
Wow.
Gusto ko dito ngayon. Ayoko lang talaga. Yung mat naman ay madali naman din. Pero grabe, nahihirapan na naman ako. Wala, tapos na kami dun sa pagdodrawing. Nasa solid na kami. Yung drawing ko na 8 lang ako. Over 10. Pwede na yun? 8 lang ako.
May nangyari.
Ano na naman? Hindi mo makatanggal.
Tanggal ko na, kaya ko na. Aray ko. Nagtagal ka sa to. Ikaw nga. Oh.
Bye. Pera mo.
Late na. Late na. Late ka na. Late na.
Huh?
Magkano ba yan? Magkano ba yan? Paano ko na lang... Nandiyan kaya yung nagtitinda ng ano? Pasuyin mo na lang at sabi mo darating naman ako.
170 yan, 170. Laro. Ngayon dumating. Yan po ay isang bago. Ano sabi mo?
Ay, babayaran mo mga kapasok.
Tara na.
Babayaran ng mga yun. Ay, dito ba?
That's not me.
Ayun mo. Dali mo.
Puro na. Tara na.
Kaya ako maglalaro.
Uy, tara na po, guys.
Yan na nga.
Guys.
Laro may pasok.
Pag-aaral mo. Pag-aaral mo.
Wait lang. Tapos, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.